Hi everyone, see this problem. Here how to find current I in the given circuit. So here is nothing but source current. So for voltage 4 into cos omega is given. So for that source voltage, what is the source current whenever these elements are connected? So at omega equal to 1 radian per second. This is the problem. So here given as the inductance given as 1 Henry and resistance given as 2 ohms and capacitance given as 0.05 Faraday. But whenever you know that overall impedance, then we can easily find the current I. So that is V equal to IZ. So source voltage, source current and total impedance. How can you find the total impedance for the given circuit first of all? So capacitance given, that is 0.05 Faraday, and inductor given 1 Henry. So first of all convert these into impedances. So let for inductor the impedance is Z1 and for resistor Z2 and for capacitor Z3 impedance are there. So first of all find the impedances for each component. So then we get for resistor the impedance is Z only, nothing but R only. So that is equal to 2 ohms. For inductor the impedance is SL. S means J omega into L is given as 1 Henry and omega is given as 1 radian, that is 1J. Now the impedance for capacitor, that is 1 by SC. So 1 by S means J omega into C. So 1 by J into omega is given as 1 and C is given as 0.05. So by simplifying this we will get ZC equal to minus J20 ohms. Here 1J ohms and this is minus J20 ohms. Now we want overall impedance. So here in the given problem Z3 is parallel with Z2 and again in series with Z1. It gives overall impedance. So Z3 we got minus J20 parallel with 2 ohms and again in series with 1J. So by simplifying this we will get 1.98 plus J 0.802. Just use scientific calculator, we will get this value. Now we can easily find the current I value here by applying this formula. Here Is means I naught. So from this we get I naught equal to Vs by Zt. So write this equation in phasor form having amplitude 4 and phase angle 0. And it will also convert it into phasor form by applying calculator. Directly we can simplify this by using calculator. We will get 1.872 with phase angle minus 22.05. So for the denominator we can find amplitude by complex number. So it is in the form of A plus IB. So amplitude is root of A square B square and phase angle is tan inverse of B by A. Okay. So now by apply this here we will get amplitude and phase angle. After that simplify it, we will get current I naught in amplitude and phasor form. But according to the problem we want in cosine form. Now how can you convert this into cosine form? Because in the options the answer is cosine form. So we know that the current I equal to, so this is here cosine amplitude of voltage. So like that here current amplitude is 1.872 cos of omega t. So omega nothing but 1. So 1t plus and current phase angle is minus 22.05 degrees amperes. So this is the current in cosine form. So from the options, option D is the correct option. And this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.